Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. So I've been procrastinating this video for a really long time. It's because I've been busy these days, and today I finally find some time to sit down and share some items that I've purchased recently, and there's a bag review from Hermes, so please stay tuned towards the end of this video. Okay, first of all, I need to thank you for subscribing my channel, and yeah, doing YouTube channel is just one of my hobbies, because in real life people don't really care about luxurious items, and once you start to talk about them, they might kind of like, judge you because they think you might be materialistic or really shallow. So YouTube channel is a really great platform where luxurious lovers, we can share our opinions and experience, and we also can make new friends from here. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So the first item I'm going to review is from Size. So Size is a website where you can get discounted luxurious items. So I've been shopping there for a few times, and every time the experience was great, and yeah, I was pretty happy with it. So the first item I'm going to show you is this. It is my Fendi dress. So I bought this Fendi dress from Size. As you can see, the packaging is really a little bit austere, but I've saved almost $1,000 Australian purchasing this dress. So this dress is Fendi motif. So it doesn't even come with the hanger or something, but just this dress and plastic bags. And this one is 100%. It's made of 100% silk. Yes. So if I'm gonna wear this dress, I will put my hair up, because that way I will look less mature. So yeah, I like the color, I like the motif, I like the detailing on this dress, and yeah, it's a shirt dress. You can wear this with, as I said, if you want to save hundreds of bucks, you can go to Size, but you won't be able to get the packaging that you could get from a boutique, and of course you won't have the experience of shopping in a boutique, and someone is or someone is going to teach you how to play with this belt. All right, this one is the first item. Oh, so the retail price of this dress on Fendi website is $3,890 Australian, but I've got this around 2,800 something. All right, so I'd been looking for this dress for a while before I snatched it up. Yeah, and also says it's made of silk and mother of pearl. I don't know which part is the mother of pearl, maybe, and maybe the buttons. I don't really know about this, and it says made in Italy, and this one is size Italian size 38. Actually, it looks a bit big on me, and yeah, right. So all of this unboxing, they're not true unboxing. So I've unboxed those, unpackaged those items before, just to check whether there are some faulty items. So I need to return them. This is my Fendi dress, and the second item is also from Size, and this one is called Moschino. I don't know whether this one is can be categorized as a luxurious brand, but maybe it's not on one of the top tiers, but I can tell you the quality is legit, and it's relatively affordable than those clothes from Fendi. Alright, so this one cost me like several $100, and I do want to, this kind of denim jacket in my wardrobe, because sometimes I just want to look a bit edgy and funky at the same time. Yeah, I love this. Oh, by the way, this kind of jacket is cropped jacket, right? And it looks a bit bigger from your shoulder and smaller on your waist. It's from Moschino as well, but this one comes with a hanger. So I like the cropped jeans. The jeans, really, they are suitable for autumn season, like maybe in late April, or maybe I can wear them in May or June, right? Through autumn and maybe early winter season, I can wear them. So Also, it has this patch in here. It's a really cute bear. All right. It's also from Moschino, and the size is USA 4. The French size is 34. It's here. Yeah, it's really soft and made in Italy. And yeah, I like the clothes from Moschino, right? I like the clothes from Moschino because they are just so comfortable and relatively cheaper than those clothes from Fendi. And this one, and we go to, it's Chanel. So the other day I just bought some things from Chanel Beauty, and yeah, I do like brands. All right, I like branding, I like the packaging and everything. It's just so I just like this. This one is called, I don't know whether you can see this one's eyeliner, and whoops, it's eyeliner. And I will show you a used one. This one, I used up this one, and it's not really greasy and oily, but it's really creamy, and yeah, it works really well on my hands. So this one is the new one. So what else we have in here? Oh, and some samples. So that's that. Chanel Beauty. So I just chuck them in here like this, and I can finally use them because I've been waiting for making this video to unbox them, and then I can finally use them. So let's talk about the last item, the last one. So I've said there's a bag review. Yes, I bought this from Fashionful and from Hermes. Yeah, this, like I said, this video is not a true unboxing. I've checked this before, and this bag is perfect. And they also give me this filer. A mess. My hands are not big enough. It is a Herbag in tricolor, and obviously I paid the premium. And yeah, I was on the payment plan, so which took 6 weeks for me to finish. And yeah, this one comes in full set with copy of receipt, a brochure underneath, and I just love the gold hardware. It does look like luxurious. And let me take this out so you can see all the things here from Fashionful. Okay. As you can see, look at this beauty, and it has Fashionful tag here, and the lock. It was love at first sight. All right, when I saw this tricolor, I fell in love with it immediately. So I just paid the deposit without hesitation. And yeah, it doesn't disappoint me. It's really and truly, like, this one is Herbag 31, which means the base is in 31 centimeters. And I don't know if this one can fit my laptop, but yeah, the whole experience was really smooth. There's just one problem from purchasing things from fashion car, the exchange rate. The exchange rate, yes, is still horrible from USD to AUD. This one, the original price is $3,995 in USD, and I ended up paying like more than $5,000 in Australia. Plus, when you import things like this, more than $1,000 in Australia, you need to pay import tax duty and GST. All right, so if you add them up, that's a really big chunk of money. But I can't find this tricolor, this combination with gold hardware somewhere else. That's why the price was so high. The price was so high, and I needed to pay a premium to get this bag. But I'm not regretful for doing this. All right, so I love this bag. I haven't used this bag yet, but I reckon this might suit autumn better, so I will save it later. So yeah, my experience is, if you can get anything from your local shops or local consignment stores, get it in your local currency, because yeah, like, people live outside the US might find it's it's a bit of exhausting to pay this because it looks good in USD, and when it comes to AUD or CAD, you will end up paying more. And on top of that, you will definitely pay the import tax duty. So think twice, because this one was definitely an impulse purchase. So think twice before you really buy anything from Fashion File. I bought a watch from Hermes before at Fashion File website last year. Yeah, I ended up paying like $300 for import tax duty plus GST and this and that. And so yeah, unless you really like this item, I really love it. To be honest, I'm so excited because this one looks much better, and this one looks much better than Kelly 28, and it does give you some casual look, and it can easily go with any outfits. And this part, the leather, is really smooth and is highly prone to scratches. If you do mind these kind of problems, you need to skip this bag because this part is not treated leather. Yeah, and the shoulder strap is non-adjustable. All right, it's non-adjustable. So this item is in excellent condition, but in my opinion, it's kind of like nearly brand new. All right, I can hardly find any noticeable or significant or major issues from this bag. So I like it so much. I would definitely wear this in autumn season. And sometimes I just don't want big logos. So that's one of the main reasons why I chose Hermes. All right, sometimes you just want to be low key. Right, for me, I just want to be low key. You can definitely carry this bag to your office and no one would even notice this is a bag from Hermes, right? It's really low key. It doesn't look like a Birkin or Kelly, like really showy, but it does give you like really luxurious feeling, but you just don't know this one is from a luxurious brand, right? So yeah, these are those things I've bought recently, and yeah, I will definitely keep sharing more things on my channel with you in the future. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.